Okay, we are live. All right, we're gonna do pre-market prep work before the 9:30 a.m. session. So my name is Brian. I'm a US-based trader. I'm a mentor for the Hunters Group. Ang isa sa mga um, pinaprepare ko yung group is when it's time for the US session. So New York session, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, for beginners, there's session breaks. So meron tayong Asian session, meron tayong London or Europe session, and then meron tayong New York or US session. Most of the time, the highest volume is nasa US session. Kahit na may news or wala, nasa US session. So maraming US traders. Quick disclaimer, any idea na mahanap natin dito, it's not financial advice. You don't have to take it if you're not comfortable, if it's not your style. Pero if you do take it, I highly recommend that you go through the risk factors, meaning the risk management. It's not rocket science. You just have to be prepared kung anong mangyayari. All right, let's go over some items. Wala nang news or report na mangyayari today. It's already happened 8:30 a.m. US Eastern Standard Time, or in the Philippines that would have been 9:30 p.m. Uh, so depende sa time zone nyo. Now, let's look at what's happening in the market. I'm gonna go over some ideas for BTC. I'm gonna go over some ideas for for Forex. Pero at the end of the day, what I'm looking for is intraday trades. Okay? For BTC, what I want to see is a breakout. Okay? At least here, so 17,138.7 or below. What I want to happen is mag-breakdown siya before hitting this area. Okay? This area is the trade idea for today. Okay, 1 hour time frame. This is the first one. This is the second one. It's a 1 hour time frame, so it could take long. Ano ba yung time frame? Sa mga new blood time frame ang dinidiscuss per candle or per data movement na tinitingnan natin. We call that candles kung candlesticks ang tinitingnan nyo, and we call that bars kung bars ang tinitingnan nyo. Depende kung paano nyo tinitingnan yung chart. Okay? The easiest way and the most common way na nakikita ko is candlesticks. That's how you base your movement in price. So sa 1 hour na to, ang nangyari dito is the market dropped. If it's red, the easiest way to look at it is it dropped. May mga wicks, may mga lines. That's yan yung mga extremes na tinravel ng price. Meaning, ito yung pinakataas, ito yung pinakababa. So what am I expecting right now for the market to do this? So number one, it's to drop out of this section. Okay, if it drops below this, I can start shorting if it does something like this. Okay, and then I can set this as my target one. If it drops aggressively and hits this area, I'm okay buying this. By confirmation. Ibig sabihin, it needs to go inside this area and then bounce out. Okay? And when it does bounce out, dun ako interested in buying this at 16,521.9. Now, in a lower time frame, I'm gonna go into a lower time frame to see ano ba itong nangyari sa week na to. That's probably a report-based movement. So dito, this is me being cheap. Really, ang full area na to is this. Maybe sa 3 minute ko makuha. No, medyo ano talaga. Makulit siyang tignan. Pero the full area is this. After being tested, this is not wick to wick. This is body to wick. Kung sa mga nakakaalam nun, I'm gonna be cheap and do it like this. Gonna be confirmation kasi ang pangit ng wick na to. So really the buying is above this wick. Sorry, the selling starts above this wick. Pero for the sake of a trap idea, I like this. So if it breaks up above, I'm okay shorting here, pero by confirmation. Again, this has this extreme wick. Gusto ko lang na ganyan yung area ko. I like this area kasi it shortens it. Mas maliit yan, pero mas higher ang risk na ma-wick out lang yan kasi pwede mag-wick ang price from this area to this area and then back again and then whatever it does. Okay? So I need to see a breakout from this consolidation. Is ilang araw na to. Um, I haven't been giving lower time frame trades at this time kasi nasa consolidation phase pa rin ang market ng crypto. There's really nothing to do until there's a breakout. So if you look at this, Ethereum has been consolidating inside this trading session, inside this trading range, 1350 to break or 1071. Right now, it's trying to break 1350. Pero what's the problem? It has not shown us kung nasan talaga yung tunay na strength. Is it buying or selling? So let's go over some Ethereum ideas. Again, I want to see some breaks in structures. For Ethereum, mahilig mag-wick to. So I prefer it to just break above this price, 1312.99, or below the price, 1253. Actually, itong 1312 na to, this has been captured as a trade idea trap para sa mga sa mga paid members, sa mga nagtanong sa akin. And this has been a few days back. The trade would have been 306. Okay, short at 306, and look at that, how that happened. Na umangat ang price at 306, and right now it's still being rejected because that's a resistance point. It's above a whole trading price. I love that. Sa mga members, sa mga paid members, they know that. I love whole numbers, and that's gonna be defended until mag-fail yung defense ng mga shorters dyan. As far as buying goes, I'm really more interested in a lower area para sa Ethereum. Again, I see Ethereum do a lot of wicks kapag nag-move siya. It's gonna wick you out. So I love the lower areas. Sometimes higher areas would work and then hindi ko makukuha yung trade, and that's fine. Risk management, capital preservation, that's the goal, that's the key. Para magtagal yung capital na nilagay nyo. Again, if you haven't seen the previous video, hindi ako interested in people saying na I'm okay losing this amount na ilalagay ko for investing. You're investing, you're not giving away money. So ang goal is to grow the account. Okay? Ethereum, so this is the only idea that I'm gonna throw out. Meron pa yan lower. So I'll go ahead and give the lower area. Itong lower area na to medyo complex sa tingin ko kasi medyo mas malaki siya. Pero okay na rin. If you want to be more conservative, I would wait for the price to actually break out of this and look for a short. Pero really, this is the current session. This is the nearest term na nakikita ko. As far as trend goes, may nakikita akong maliit na trend na pwede niyang i-honor dyan. So that's cool. First area is just below 12.79, and then second area is below 11.86. If we're looking for a third area, this would be it. I'm gonna combine two areas para may safety yung area natin. 1150.25. That's a beautiful that's a really nice price. Okay, the quarter increments. Banks and institutions, they love to get orders like that. So BNB, I didn't even clean up my BNB chart. Wala pa rin nangyayari. So sa previous session, what did I say? It's in a range trading area. Ang range niya previously is 305.27 and then 286.00. See how it's reacting nung na-reach niya yung 286? That's because it's still playing in the range. So it's gonna chop yung mga shorts na nag-start sa 286. Imagine being short at 286 and then all of a sudden it reverses like this. Emotionally, that's very taxing. So sa mga bago, what I recommend really is not to trade in a live account. It's to trade in a simulated demo account. Kung wala kayong mahanap na demo account, then just find one na libre. TradingView pwede kayo mag-sign up sa TradingView for a free demo account, and you can have a feel of what it's like na meron kayong pera na nakalagay sa market. You're gonna see gains and losses. You're gonna have more experience, and experience matters sa trading. Of course, knowledge first and then experience. Now, I'm looking at EURUSD. Let's go to ForEx. That's the big three na tinitignan ko sa crypto. If ForEx, well, I'm late already. This would have been the trade. That would have been the trade. At the 1-to-1, that's nice. I'm not interested in shorting until I can see na ma-break niyo yung price below this. At least below this, pero I would love it if it breaks below this. Yun ang daily time frame mo. Okay. So that's a wick. Let's see kung nasaan to. 1 hour time frame. Okay, this 1 hour time frame is interesting. Kasi this actually proved the buying section right here. Okay, so right now I'm interested in this 1 hour time frame because this prevented all the drops. The easiest way to look at it, yun. I'm interested in this section na nagkaroon ng rejection to drop and then it reversed all of it. 1.03333. That's a playful number. So imagine a bank or institution placing an order at that price. I am really looking forward to that. Stop loss is somewhere at 1.02944. USDJPY. Boom. Hindi niya kinlip yung order ko. But sa mga sumusubaybay ng mga guidance ko dito, what are you seeing? I was waiting for it at 133.599 around that area. So if hindi ko ni-refine to, I would have captured this reversal. Pero I did a refinement and that's fine. I have a lot of trades like that. Now where am I interested in doing? I'm okay shorting this in this section. Okay, this is the first section for shorting. And meron na yata akong binigyan ng ideas na to kaya may mga trade sections ako dito. So I'm okay shorting it in this section for the daily time frame. And now in the 1 hour time frame, I'm okay shorting it at 137.653. Okay, depende sa arrival, I need it to be fast and that would be perfect if it goes like this and then it bounces out. I'm not looking for an extreme move. Sometimes it happens na tulad nung nahanap ni Edson. One of our members, he found a 5-to-1, 6-to-1, 7-to-1 trade sa GBPUSD. I'll show you that in a bit. Pero I'm expecting for price to go up really fast and then all of a sudden mauuntog sila sa pader ng selling. So this is the first area I'm looking at. The second area is 139, 128. If both of those areas fail, I'm not interested in trading this market until it shows me what it's actually trying to do. Okay? We don't force trades. Kapag nagre-reverse ang market, we have to get situated in our minds first. Psychologically, kailangan nating makita na nagre-reverse yung market. What if it's not reversing? What if it's just doing a correction phase? So right now, ito yung two trade ideas. If you want to take a screenshot of this, that's fine. If you want to take note of this, that's fine. Ang kailangan lang dito is yung entry. Ang main points dito is this area. It's this area. It's not the exact numbers. Okay? Baka iba yung exchange na ginagamit nyo. So it's not gonna be the same number. But it's this area I'm interested in. Stop loss somewhere above 138.156. Same dito. 139.128. Stop loss somewhere above 139.897. And I'm just putting a place marker para sa akin. GBPUSD. This is the trade idea na nahanap ni Edson. So, he's saying to buy this at 1.19124. Okay? See what happened? Ano ba yung itsura nito before that happened? This is how it looked like. Or maybe it's this. This is how it looked like. That's what happened. Okay? Paano namin nalaman yung mga ganun? Sa strategy namin, sa strategy na ginagamit ko or tinuturo ko and ginagamit din ni Edson, yung ginagamit na ibang members, we're not forcing one strategy. By the way, we have multiple strategies na dinidiscuss namin. Pero ako yung makulit na makulit sa mga ganito. Retracement execution style. So it went down and down and down. And what we tried to find is the area na saan siya pwedeng magbabounce, and it did. So that's the only idea right now for GBPUSDT kasi late na tayo for this second wave of a bounce. I guess at 8 a.m. nagalit ang market, or 8:30. 8:30, that was the report time. Okay? Sometimes reports are just meant to trigger the areas. It's ridiculous, pero it is what it is. It's how it's doing it. All right. So if you like this guidance, if you like this video, I intend to do more, so please do subscribe and do like. I'll start doing promos. First 100 subscribers. Okay, if you subscribed and if you share this and dumami yung mag-subscribe, that's gonna make it faster. First 100, I'm gonna give out a free mentoring. Okay, free mentoring, one-on-one, or however we decide sa group. If someone wants to go with the paid members, makikisabay ng refresher, that's fine. Pero I'm gonna focus on sharing my knowledge, and it's gonna be free. So first 100 subscribers, I'm gonna throw out a raffle. All right, and we'll see where it goes. So thank you very much. I do hope na nakatulong to sa mga, I know you trade, I know a lot of people trade perpetual futures, pero if you're interested in learning this style, it doesn't stop at perpetual futures. It doesn't stop at Forex. My main market is the US futures. If you're interested in knowing that, then we can go over that too. All right. Thank you very much for the time. Green trades.